Alright, so let's see this amazing flywheel system from Campbell. So let me turn it around that you see that how I design it. It looks very nice. And I'll try to explain how he managed to get the output power 3 times higher than the input power in his flywheel system. So you can see we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flywheels, and then the first and the second is on the motor, and on the generator the last one. Yeah? So it will be totally 6. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually 7. So totally 7 flywheels, which will produce output energy bigger than the input energy. So what's the idea? So he claims that this on the left side is the generator, which gives 750 watts of power, and he in the end gets 2300 watts on the generator on the other side. Yeah, so basically he can in the end disconnect this generator from power when this is, produces enough speed, and then system is self-sustained, and of course it gives 1500 approximately excess energy of watts. So let's see. So you can see that as is here described, is 1400 RPMs is at the motor. Yeah, so standard 50 Hz motor. And then first flywheel on the motor itself is 2.75 inches. This is transferred via belt to 5 inches. On the same shaft we have 8 inches wheel, so it will be again a bigger speed. Yeah, so then on the 4 inches, so he'll get a little bit more in the end, 1576 RPM. Then on this shaft is also a flywheel, 10 kilograms. So this is what will give our free energy because of the momentum and the kinetical energy which will be produced by the motor. Yeah. And then on the same shaft is 9 inches transferred to the 4.5 inches, which will double the speed to 3146 RPM. So that's basically it. So what he says additionally to this very simple setup, if you ask me, but it was, let's say, experimented to be possible, is that these belts should be loose. They should not be tensioned too much. Yeah, these belts should be loose. That when this motor starts to spin, then they create some kind of torque. Yeah, in tension, they create tension on the wheels, which actually transfers itself to the kinetic energy. Yeah, increased by this flywheel, the 10 kilogram flywheel in the middle, which is drawn red. So basically this is the Campbell flywheel system, which gives 3 times more output energy than the input energy. It can be self-sustained just when you when you reach the speed and you get this 2400 watts on the motor, you should be able to disconnect your motor from the supply and supply it from the generator, plus you have an excess energy out of the system. So this is basically it. So